guys, today is my first day on Christmas vacation from work. Today is December 23rd. I am on my way to go run some errands. I have these Christmas boxes to finish. I have these to finish, and I have two more people I forgot, so I need to go find a gift for them. But before I do that, I am gonna go get a pedicure. I'm gonna go do some me time, and then, like I was saying, we're gonna go get a pedicure first. I have an appointment just to also do my brows and get them waxed and tinted. Okay, gosh, my car is so annoying. Y'all, I got this car back and that thing broke down a few days ago because the battery was completely dead, and they didn't tell me that I had a problem with my battery when they were fixing my engine. So I'm so upset. But thank God I didn't have to pay for the battery, because when I bought a battery the last time, I didn't buy it from a dealership. I bought it from AutoZone. So it was under a 3-year warranty, so they replaced it for free. But it's just so inconvenient. Like, you guys just had my car for 2 months and y'all couldn't tell me or check the battery. How does that make sense? Y'all are total mechanics. Y'all promise all these great things for y'all service, and then y'all let somebody's battery go dead 5 days after they got their car back from y'all. They're whack. Anyways, I can't wait to be finished with this car. My goal was to pay it off and then sell it, but now I don't even want to not pay it off and then keep it and then buy another car, so I have 2 cars. But I don't even know if I want to do that anymore, because I don't know. We'll see. Talk to God about it. Listen, if this is what you want me to get out of this car, then just say that. But if not, then I'll stick it through. But anywho, we're about to head to the nail salon, just get a pedicure. Haven't got my feet like scrubbed in like 2 months. So yeah, right before graduation was the last time I got a real pedicure. Sometimes like in between pedicures I get like a polish change, because I scrub my feet all the time in the shower anyway, so sometimes I don't feel like I need a 100% full pedicure. But today I do. Okay, today I do. I've been on my feet for weeks at a time working, so, and my toenails are they just need to be professionally clipped and everything so I can stop picking at them. But yeah, we're gonna head to the salon. I usually go to the same one to do I do have new nails. Let me see if y'all can see them. These are my new nails. Here are the new nails. So these are my new nails. They're like little mistletoes, and this one is a sweater. Camera don't fail. My friend actually does my nails for me. This girl I met, acquaintance, friend, whatever you want to call it. She does my fingernails, and I just like to support her in that way. She doesn't do pedicures. That's why I still go to a salon to get my pedicures. Because I've been blabbing for like 5 minutes now. We're heading to the salon. I will see you there. Okay, so I'm changing the order. I'm doing things. I'm going to Nordstrom Rack really quick at the outlet mall, because I've never been here and I want to see what I can find in here, and then I'll get a pedicure. I have all day to get a pedicure, so it's not an emergency. So we're going in here first to see what I can find. I still need to get DJ a few more gifts. I only got 2 so far. I want to get him at least 4. So we're in Nordstrom Rack. Coming back for this, y'all. Coming back for that. So it's super safe to say that this was a success, a good shopping experience. My first time there at Nordstrom Rack. It's very similar to the regular Nordstrom. It's just like in a Ross type of version. But yeah, I liked it. It was cute, whatever. So I got quite a few things. I only spent 200 bucks. Picked up some more stuff for my family and stuff. I think I'm done. Well, I have 2 more people on my list still. I just don't have time to shop right now because I need to go make it to my lash appointment on time. It's at 10:30. It's 10:20 and it's 5 minutes away. So anyways, off to do these brows. And then I get my bob later at 5. So that means I need to go home at least by, it's 10, at least by 1 or 2 o'clock. Take these 2 braids out, which is gonna take about 5 minutes. Wash my hair really quick, blow dry my hair, and get it ready to get my hair done. I'm getting a bob for the first time, y'all. I'm super excited. I will be vlogging that. I got my batteries already charging. It's gonna be a lituation. So yeah. When I tell y'all she did my brows, she did my brows. Do y'all see these? Very nice. Very nicely filled in. Just really good. So that's at Blinks, Diva Blinks on Okeechobee. Anyway, I'm about to walk up in City Trends. Just don't want to see what they got up in here. Got a couple of knickknacks in here. So dangerous. Alright y'all, so I'm back home. I'm taking a little break. I'm about to take my hair out. After I eat and wrap these gifts, I'm going to take my hair out, wash it, and then get ready for my appointment. I have a few gifts to finish wrapping. These are all the stuff that I recently just purchased to add on and wrap new people's gifts. So yeah, I still have a lot of work to do. I'm about to go ahead and do that right now. Right after I eat. I need to eat first because I did not eat this morning when I left the house. I just had a croissant. See you guys in the next clip. Alright y'all, just finishing up the Christmas gifts. I am still missing some stuff, y'all. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna just go to back either to Nordstrom Rack or go to TJ Maxx like I had said. I'm only gonna pick up like 2 other things. Yeah, and then I need to get my money up. I've actually been doing side hustles in between, so I'm getting like $150 like today from a side hustle. So it's just like replacing money, so I don't feel like I'm losing anything. And my rent has already been put aside. But yeah, I'm just taking out these 2 braids. I'm about to quickly wash my hair. I took my bodysuit off. That's why it looks like that. But yeah, I'm gonna holler at y'all in a second when I take all these out. Alright, so the hair is all taken down. It looks so white from the gel, but anyways, we're about to do a quick wash and go. Bam! Alright, so hair is washed. And yeah, I'm about to dry it right now. Let me do my little hair tie. Okay. So, my brows. They're freshly done. Oh my god, did I mess it up? It was so hard to wash my hair today because of my brows. I was like about to break my neck just to make sure that it didn't get wet. But anywho, I'm about to get dressed, start blowing dry my hair, and then we're gonna go to the store, hopefully. All right, y'all, so I'm outside so I can show y'all my hair. And I wanted to take it for my reel, and I want to be in the sun. So I just walked all the way outside to do that. What we gotta do, we gotta do. I think I got the shot. All right, I'm done. My dad just called me. Let's check. My dad just called me. Maybe it was an accident. Alright, so I have a new method of how I blow dry my hair so that I'm not losing so much hair and pulling on my hair. So first thing I do it in 4 sections. And then I just hold the heat to the hair, like from this distance, not so close to my hair, and I just pull, and once I feel like everything's dry, then I brush it out, so I'm not constantly brushing my hair. Okay, since this is a huge section, I'm gonna do it in two. Just gonna go ahead and begin brushing it out. It's already dried. See if there's any knots. There's the piece that I had cut. The progress of it all from when I cut the faux locks. Here's this little section. Still growing. Slowly but surely.